In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a custom status in Dubsado projects. Custom project statuses are a great way to organize your workflow and quickly see where each project stands. Instead of relying only on the default status options, you can create your own custom statuses that better match your business process. Whether you want to track different stages of client work or simply keep your projects more organized, Dubsado makes it easy to add a new custom status. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, click on Projects from the menu. This will open your Projects page, where you can view and manage all of your existing projects. Once you're on the project screen, look for the gear icon. Click the gear icon to open the project settings and management options. This section contains various settings that let you customize how your projects are organized and displayed. After the Settings menu opens, select Manage. This will take you to the area where you can manage your project statuses. Here, you'll see the statuses that are already available in your Dubsado account. To create a new one, click the option to add a new status. Enter the name of the custom status you want to use for your projects. Choose a name that clearly represents the stage of your workflow so it's easy to recognize when managing multiple projects. Once you've entered your new status, save your changes. After it's saved, the custom status will become available for your Dubsado projects, allowing you to use it whenever you update or organize your project workflow. Creating custom statuses can make it much easier to keep track of projects as they move through different stages. Since the status names are tailored to your own business, you can quickly identify where each client or project stands without relying on generic labels. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a custom status to your Dubsado projects. As your workflow changes over time, you can always return to the same management area to create additional statuses that better fit your process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.